Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we learn about the cell structure and function. Now we came to the topic. What is cell? The cell is a basic structural and functional unit of life. We know all the living organisms are made up of cell. The cells are smaller in size. They are ultra microscopic in nature. The size of the cell range from 1 to 100 micrometer. The cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. He observed a living cell under a microscope while observing the core. The word cell was derived from the Latin word cellula, which means a small room. And then the study of cell is called cell biology or cytology. The cell was first observed by Robert Hooke, hence he is called as a father of cell biology. And next, structure of the cell. There are two kinds of cells are there. They are prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are primitive cells. It includes the structures of a cell is plasma membrane, cytoplasm, genetic material and ribosomes. In eukaryotic cells have some specialized structures like mitochondria, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum for their cellular activities. In this slide, I show the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell structures. I try to explain briefly about those two cells in my next video. Cells have the numerous functions to complete their cellular activities. The major 5 functions are given below. The first one is energy production. Cells take nutrients like glucose and oxygen to produce energy with the help of mitochondria. The energy is stored in a molecule called ATP. The ATP stands for the adenosine triphosphate. The ATPs are the currency for all cellular work. The second major function is synthesis of molecules. Cells are constantly building the biological materials needed for life. Firstly, protein synthesis. The ribosomes create protein using the instruction from DNA for muscle building, hair growth and extra functions. And then lipid production. Cells create fats for cell membranes and hormone production. The lipids are the layer of our plasma membrane. It acts as a barrier for our body and cell. The third major role of the cell is growth and reproduction. Cells are responsible for the growth of an organism and the repair itself. The growth, which means it does not increase in volume, it increases in numbers. The growth and reproduction is done by two methods. There are mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is only occurs in somatic cells. Somatic cells means the body cells. In mitosis, a single cell divides into create two identical daughter cells. And meiosis. Meiosis occurs only in reproductive cells. A specialized division that creates sperm and egg cells for reproduction is called meiosis. Meiosis is also called a reduction division. And the fourth main function is transport and communication. The cells are selective permeability in nature. The cell membrane acts as a gatekeeper controlling which substance entry and exist. And the next is signaling. Cells send and receive chemical signals to communicate with other part of the body, like the chemical signals or hormones or chemical factors like signals, electrical impulses and more. And most important function of the cell is waste management. Cells have internal recycling centers called lysosomes. Lysosomes are the organelle of the cell. They contain enzymes itself and it break down the waste products into a excretory product. Conclusion. So the cell is the basic unit of life. Each organelle has a specific function and together they maintain the life. That's all guys. If this video was useful, like, share and subscribe. The next video we will explain the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell structure and difference between them. Thank you.